Hello, my name is Caitlin and welcome to Country Kitchen SweetArt's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to apply edible glitter to your desserts. Let's get started. I am going to start by showing you how different colors of edible glitter look when sprayed onto white buttercream. To demonstrate this method, I will be using pre-made buttercream and a 1M piping tip. We carry two brands of edible glitter in our store, and they are very similar to one another and how they apply to products. The main difference is the shade of each color. Be sure you don't confuse these edible glitters with a shimmery luster dust. Add the edible glitter to a dry dust pump and spray it onto your buttercream. This can be done when the buttercream is freshly piped or after it has crusted over. The white edible glitter catches the light and adds a beautiful glitter effect to the buttercream. Add more or less glitter depending on your preference. Next, I will show you how this golden yellow glitter looks when sprayed onto white buttercream. When adding colored glitters to white buttercream, the color will show up while adding a glitter effect. Depending on how light or dark the color is, will determine how much it shows up on the buttercream. The next colors I will show you are green, blue, and pink. You can also add any color to colored buttercream, but the color of the edible glitter may or may not show up depending on how dark the buttercream is. If you are using these products on a dessert that will be moved around and knock off some dust, be sure to add the edible glitter when the buttercream is freshly piped so that it sticks. The next method I will show you is with piping gel, and this technique can be used to accent details on fondant, royal icing, buttercream, or chocolate. Paint or pipe the piping gel onto your dessert, then spray with the edible glitter. Make sure to hold the nozzle of the dry dust pump close to the piping gel to saturate it well with the edible glitter. The color of the edible glitter is vibrant when this method is used. Be sure to use a fluffy brush to dust off the excess glitter around the details. Next, I will show you how the edible glitter applies to chocolate candy melts. Dip your treat in the melted chocolate, then immediately spray with the edible glitter. When adding glitter to the chocolate, you can spray the glitter farther away to add a subtle shimmer and color if desired. For a full coverage look on chocolate, hold the nozzle of the dust pump close to the chocolate and be sure to add a lot of glitter, as you can always shake off the excess. Check out this video here for another method of adding a full coverage glitter look to chocolate. The final method I will show you is adding glitter to cherries. This is a common decoration used when adding details to cakes. Start by drying off the cherries with paper towels. You can dip the cherries into the edible glitter jar or pour some of the glitter in a candy cup for dipping. Generously coat the cherry in the edible glitter, then tap gently to shake off the excess. Try out these techniques on your desserts and let us know in the comments what application is your favorite. Thank you for watching until the end of our video, and be sure to stick around so you can learn where to find all of the products used in this video and how to stay connected with us. To find the products used in this video, scroll down to the description and click on that link. That link will take you to our website, and below the photo you will find all of the products used to make this project. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on our newest products, sales, and to meet our staff. If you would like to see more videos like this one, check out our baking and decorating tips playlist on our channel. Leave us a comment down below letting us know if you enjoyed this video and what kinds of videos you would like to see next. Be sure to tune in to our next video where I will be decorating a butterfly cake for Mother's Day. See you next time.